Hello everybody, welcome to Business Department of Florida National University. Business Department has different programs. We offer an associate, bachelor, and a graduate level. The associate programs are accounting and business administration, associate in science, and associate in arts. Bachelor degree we have in accounting, in business administration, marketing and sales, and finance. And finally, we also offer the MBA program, which is very important for a student when they finish a bachelor degree, because the job market is demanding MBA students a lot. So I think it's very important for you to think about the way you can continue your education after getting the bachelor degree. So it is also important to consider that anytime that you have any question about the program, so you can contact your academic advisor, but you can also contact us because we can guide you through the process of answering any questions about the program content or about anything related with your stay here in any business program. So one important thing is the way you are going to schedule your classes. Once you are in the program already enrolled, it's important that you review the catalog, university catalog, and take into consideration the program content. That is going to give you exactly how many classes you will be taking, and then the sequence you can follow in order to enroll in these specific courses in order to benefit your graduation path. When you are about to start a new term, you can schedule yourself the classes that are open in the system. So it is important you have any question, you contact us or academic advisor to see exactly whether that classes can be taken at that time. So don't keep any doubt or concerns about your class scheduling. That is very important because your graduation is also very important for us. What I would do when scheduling classes is just to go to your program content to see what are the classes that you are going to take now. Then go to the system, select the classes in the systems, and schedule yourself what you want to take for the next semester. Once you have scheduled your classes, you can review your class schedule from the student portal. And that is all. Again, if you have any question, please contact us before starting your classes, because in that way you can get the textbooks information and the textbooks on time, and that will be very important, also very important for you. You can change your classes once you have scheduled them. For any circumstances you have to change the class or you have to cancel any class, you can also contact us through the system to request during the first week of the term, and you can make any changes for both term A or term B. So please do not delay this process because it's important that you do that during the first week of the term A. If you are willing to take 4 classes during the term, that is the best way possible to finish very soon your program. But you have different alternatives, and you can contact your financial aid advisor or your admission advisors, and they will guide you through the process of changing any class, or you can also contact us for that purpose. Once you start your classes, take into consideration the business courses here in Florida National University use a lot of different materials and tools through which you can get the best knowledge possible. We use an extensive library, Harvard case studies, simulation games for the students, and that way you can be connected with the real world. We also use different information and data from data set we have in the library that are also available for the students to use in the class, and every single instructor, business instructor, is asked to include any kind of experiential learning into the classes. Then you will have the opportunity to be totally connected with the world. Every single class has a Blackboard component, so it means the moment you are taking the class on campus, if you are an on-campus student, you will also have access to the Blackboard course. Blackboard is another way of communicating with the instructor, with the students, and submitting your work, and reading some material. It's a support you will use in order to learn more from the class. Then, at the same time, the professor for the hybrid courses, for example, is asking you to meet the professor and the classmates during the time class. For example, let us say from 9 to 12 or 6 to 9, when you have scheduled that class, in order to take the class through the virtual component, which is also very important because sometimes you cannot make it to class for any reasons, and then you have the opportunity to be connected with the class at the moment the class is going to be delivered through the phone or a computer, from home, from the workplace, anywhere. So that is another piece of flexibility we use here in business courses. That is also important to be aligned with all the instructions you are going to receive during the week. And then for time management purposes, please take into consideration the deadline that you have for the assignment submissions in order to avoid any kind of delay or conflict with the class schedule and class completion. We all know that during the process of taking any class, you might have some kind of problem, so it is important that you read the student handbook and be aligned with all the code of conduct in order to see exactly what it says about the behaviors that we should have here on campus or through the Blackboard online. So it's also important that if you have any questions, please contact Student Services. They are always willing to help students, and then academic advisors, and again you can also contact us for any question you have about any other issues that you are having during your stay here in business programs other than the academic programs. Thank you so much for enrolling in business programs here at Florida National University. I look forward to seeing you on the graduation day.